looking at whatever we're working. Let's say we're working area right triangles, and it comes up, and I'm not expecting them to know anything. I'm expecting them just to go in there and get an idea of what we're doing. And it starts off, they get to select the game they're going to play. And this is what really draws them into the things. They get to choose a particular game to play. I love playing Blaster because I really stink at it and I want to get better. Excuse me. And so they'll go in there, and the first thing they have to do is they have to come up with a they have to start with the educational part. You can't just start the game, you got to actually start doing the work. So they'll have to figure this out, and they'll say, okay, the area of a parallelogram, this is a trapezoid, a parallelogram, and then find so this is just length times width, and that's 5 and 3. So they figure this out. And let's say if they get it right or wrong, so they can put the answer in. If they get it wrong, normal kids' activities there just skip through it to get to the next question. Well, this forces them to actually learn. They go here and they can't skip through to the next question. They've got to actually review what's going on. This is the correct answer. This is 6. Here's how you figure it out. It gives you the information. And you can see they can't hit next for 5-10 seconds. So when they go here, they give them another problem just like the one they were working with. And they get to get it right. So they figure out the area of a triangle, and I don't have my glasses on, but this is 1/2 base time, so 1/2. 21 times 8, 160. So guessing. They get it wrong, so they get to keep going through it, and then it just keeps working with it.
Right.
And eventually they get it right. They get that 30 seconds. They only get 30 seconds to play the game. And when they play the game, they get addicted to it because it's basically like cell phone games. Cell phone games are action games. It's kind of addictive because it's always constantly busy. There's no thought. There's no really thinking. It's just reaction, and they love playing these games because they're designed the same way.
Right. Can you show a game?
I can show a game. Let's go on something that. Let's see. Compare and order. Just pick something that's really easy to. We'll go here to Space Blaster. Start. Okay, which number is ordered from greatest to least? So it would be C. And then greatest to least. We get to play the game. And again, I'm a child of the 70s, but never really learned how to play the Atari.
They're in trouble.
And I die. But
Okay.
again, they get to continue playing, and they get 30 seconds worth of play. I can shoot the asteroids like crazy. But then it stops, and it forces them to answer another question and they'll play. So they hit next, and here goes another question. They complete the statement. -4 is less than -3, so you put B for less than. And you go on, and they get to play the game some more.
You get another game.
And it lasts off right where they left off.